As a global leader in filtration, Atmus Filtration Technologies continuously invests in manufacturing technology to better serve our customers. One of the company's 9 production plants is our ISO-certified site in Quimper, France, and this site has been producing high-quality Fleetguard filtration products for more than 40 years. The latest investment at the Quimper plant is the introduction of an automated production line. This 1,200 square meter line produces green cartridge filters. These filters contain no metal parts, meaning they are completely recyclable, making them a first choice with customers.
This new production line makes use of the latest automation technologies. Our collaborative robots, or cobots, are agile and responsive and handle repetitive tasks such as packing the filters. Automation has improved productivity and ergonomics in Quimper, and it is in line with our philosophy of zero incidents, zero defects.
Automated guided vehicles deliver the individual filter components to the production area and take finished filter products back to our on-site distribution center. These vehicles have improved workplace organization and employee safety, enhancing workflow efficiency and reducing customer lead time. We test our filtration products in state-of-the-art laboratories on-site to ensure they meet or even exceed performance expectations before sending out to customers across Europe and to our Atmus distribution centers around the globe.
Our Fleetguard brand is synonymous with quality, service and reliability. Our products increase equipment uptime and reduce our customers' total cost of ownership. It is why customers come back to our products time and time again. With the increased capacity of our production line, we look forward to more quickly and more efficiently supporting existing and new customers with the products they have come to trust to protect their operations.